This is a counting cheat sheet. So we shall count, and then I'll give you a very nice exercise that will help you out when you're counting. First, let's count 1 through 10, and 1 through 10 is on my left. Achiel, ariyo, adek, ang'wen, abich, auchiel, abiriyo, aboro, ochiko, apar. So when you're counting in the Luo language, make sure you just master this 10, because they form the basis of everything. Okay? So 1 through 10, achiel, ariyo, adek, ang'wen, abich, auchiel, abiriyo, aboro, ochiko, and apar. Now, let's go through 10 to 100 in groups of 10. So 10 is apar, then 20 is piero, ariyo. Now see ariyo here, we just added piero. So piero, ariyo. So ariyo, piero, ariyo. Adek, 30, piero, adek. So guess what? We just added piero. Now look at the rest. Look what's happening here. Now, what's happening? You see 40 says piero, ang'wen. And 50, piero, abich. So what has happened? We have just added the word piero. Now this means we are multiplying by 10, okay? So like for example, if we knew what 5 was, if we knew 5 is abich, like this, then to get 50, we would just say multiply that by 10. And how do we multiply? We just say piero. So that is 50. 60, piero, auchiel. And then 70, piero, abiriyo. And then 80, piero, aboro. Then 90, piero, ochiko. Then guess what 100 is? Piero, apar. You see? Piero, apar. But because it is 100, we add a 1 here. So piero, apar, achiel. With this, can you guess 200? You know, if you guess 200, 200 will be piero, apar, ariyo. You get the drift? So that's how you count in the Luo language. And this is a very good trick. This is a cheat sheet for counting. So now we have 1 through 10, and we have 10 through 100. We want to get the numbers in between. You want to see how the numbers in between work. For example, 21 is piero, ariyo, gi, achiel. Now let's look at piero, ariyo. Piero, ariyo is 20, and then let's look at achiel. Achiel is 1. So 21 is 20, which is piero, ariyo, and achiel, and 1, which is achiel. So you can see 21 becomes piero, ariyo, gi, achiel. So the word gi means and 1. So 10 times 2 and 1. So 10 times 2 plus 1, that is 21. So 45 becomes, so let's look at 45. 40 and 5. So 40 will be piero, ang'wen. So piero, ang'wen. And then 5 will be abich. So to put them together, you'll just say piero, ang'wen, gi abich. Okay? Now, if you're watching, you can comment on 14. 14, remember 14 becomes 10 and 4. So 10 and 4. Let's look for 10. 10 is apar. So 14 would be apar, gi, ang'wen. Why? Because it's 10 and 4. Now let's look at 58. So 58 would be 50 and 8. And 50 is right here. Piero abich. So Piero abich gi 8. So we look for 8. Where is 8? Piero abich gi aboro. Okay. Now let's look at 96. 96 would be 90 and 6. And what is 90? 90 is down here. 90 is Piero ochiko. So Piero ochiko gi auchiel. Piero ochiko gi auchiel. That's 96. So 77 on that hand. How does 77 go? So 77 will be 70 and 7. So 70 is Piero abirio. So Piero abirio gi abirio. Piero abirio gi abirio. Okay. And then 82. So now you get the drift. So we are going to look for 80 and then we look for 2. 82 will be Piero aboro gi ario. Piero aboro gi ario. Okay. And then 91 will be Piero ochiko, because it's 90 and 1. Piero ochiko gi achiel. Correct. And finally 106 would be Piero apar achiel. Remember 100 was Piero apar achiel. So Piero apar achiel gi, now gi becomes 6. So gi auchiel. So this would be Piero apar achiel gi auchiel. Now I hope this gives you an idea of how to quickly cheat someone through the counting process. We now know how to count from 1 all the way to 106. And this video will be helpful in future. Bookmark it, send it to a friend so that you can help them count if they're struggling with the counting. This is a cheat sheet for counting. And I hope you have a great day. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. If you're in YouTube, if you're in Facebook, remember to follow the page. And please share the video with your friends, because many people are looking for how to count in the Luo language, and we are here to help them out. With those few remarks, I say oriti, goodbye, and have a good night or good morning wherever you are.